Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a footnote in Google Docs. So footnotes are where you can add a little bit of extra information that will show at the bottom of a page. You can also link to like sources where you have sourced information from. So once you're on your Google Doc, you're going to highlight the text that you want to add a footnote to. So highlight it, then you're going to click on Insert. Scroll down to page elements, then scroll across to footnote. Then you'll see a little section at the bottom of the page that has a number. That will also be linked to the text that you highlighted. So the same number will be up at the top by the text you highlighted. Then you add in that extra information at the bottom of the page. So for this, I might say Tech Guide Ninjas is a how to YouTube channel. When I'm happy, make sure it's spelled correctly. People can see a little bit more about my YouTube channel. And of course, you can add a link to the text if you want to by highlighting and then adding a link to any sources if you want to. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.